One of the many downsides of the COVID-19 epidemic, or pandemic I should say, is the fact that we are riding our bikes less than before the pandemic hit. One of those, as an example of that I should say, my service indicator, the little wrench in the upper left hand corner, came on some time ago, precisely at around 10th of December, I guess, 10th of December 2020, when it decided that the date that I had put in there was expired for the next service. But as you can see from the next screen here, I've got 2,400 miles to go. So obviously time ran out in this case before miles. So what I'm going to do is use the GS911 today to reset, give myself some more time and make that icon, that wrench icon, go away. Good. Now I've got the GS911 fired up, the bike is connected, and I should be able to go to my R1200RS, liquid cooled, and go down to, can't remember, I think it's special functions. Okay, here we go, service reminder, and it's reading it, and you can see there it's saying that I've got 52,155 miles. The motorcycle date is today. The next service is due at 54,476 miles, 10th December. So I want to change. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to give myself some extra time. So June of 2021, right? And the mileage is going to be 2,400 plus what I had before. So that'll be 54,555. 54,555. Apply. And we should see that written to the bike's computer here. 54,517, 24th of June. So I would expect that my service light on the bike should be reset, and that little icon should be gone. Cycle back through again. .6 volts, I gotta go for a ride. 24th of June 2021, and miles 2,400. So there you go. And the little wrench is gone in the upper left hand corner. So if you see that wrench showing up when earlier than expected is due to COVID and you're not riding your bike enough, you just got to go in with your GS911 and reset the time. Give yourself some more time. And when you're resetting the time, also remember that you've got to keep an eye on the mileage in the GS911 and make sure that it's where you want it. That's all, folks.